Unsure who your course is for or how to frame the promise? Well, in this demo, Chad uses the marketing plan in Offermint to define the audience, the angle, the messaging, and then ties it back to the product outline. You'll watch the exact steps on screen, so stick around to the end for my bonuses.
All right, so now we're inside of our marketing plan, okay? And we're gonna go build all this out. It's gonna be very, very simple, nothing complicated. AI is gonna do most of it for us. But you might notice over here on the left-hand side, I am automatically attached to this product outline called SaaS Common. And the reason why is because I was continuing from phase number 1. Now you don't have to do that. Notice these are separate modules. So you can come over here and you can pump out product outlines and then you can do marketing plans separately. But the real power comes when you connect both of these together, okay? So let's get clear on this, all right? In the first phase with the product outline, we're trying to get clear on our actual product and the deliverables, right? So that's why we went through and we came up with a big idea and we came up with a name and we did our branding, figured out what our framework was, and then we went out there and created the deliverables, right? We outlined the deliverables, and then we figured out our resources and our bump offers and our upsells. Okay, so all that has to do with like creating the actual product and having a strong foundation when you create it, right? But now, on the flip side, over here in the marketing plan, now that we have that kind of taken care of, how do we go out there and advertise this? What is our marketing plan? What is our hook? Like, who is our target audience? We got to figure out those answers. And then when we take the product outline combined with the marketing plan, you have everything you need to put together a very high converting offer. Okay? So, for the name of mine, you see I've already got SaaS. Now for offer type, I could have given you a drop-down menu here, but it would have been a mile long, right? Because we already know that we have a system, and I want to say it's a gamified course. Okay, so you can put anything you want there, right? Is it a course? Is it a system? Is it an ebook? Like whatever it is you want to put, okay? You can go ahead and put that there, all right? And for offer details, just to make this easy, I'm going to go ahead and put in the same exact big idea that we used inside of the outline, okay? And now you can expand on this if you want to. You can go into more details, but notice on the right side that we're about to get into the audience, right? So that's going to be good enough. You can keep this pretty simple if you want. And by the way, AI needs somewhere to start with. It can't just, come up with this, okay? And also remember, in the product outline, that's your product. Now we have our offer, right? So I'm going to say this. It also includes a weekly call and a live interactive community, okay, with a series of bonuses. All right, so now we're starting to go the direction of an offer, right? Not just a product, but we're putting stuff around it that's going to allow us to create an offer, okay? Now, for the base price, I'm just gonna go ahead and put 47 bucks. There's a lot of times, guys, where we will go and price something like this at 17 bucks. It's pretty incredible, right? Audience type, is it cold traffic, skeptical readers, local customers, beginners, worms list? Is it solopreneurs and coaches, stay-at-home parents, creative types, professional B2B? I'm going to say mine is probably solopreneurs, right? So that's the audience type. So audience detail, I'm going to say home-based entrepreneurs and small business owners. All right, so that's kind of the type because it's more so, not so much on the tech side, it's more on the opportunity side, right? So for audience details, I'm gonna go ahead and say home-based entrepreneurs and small business owners, right? So look at the screen. That's all you gotta do, right? It's very, very simple. And we can't use AI to do this. This is yours, like this is your offer, right? We're gonna be able to flush it out now that we give it somewhere to start with, but this is you, okay? So let's go ahead and click on next step. All right, so now we're over here in the second step, right? And it's a simple little questionnaire, but AI has done the best job it possibly can to fill in the blanks for you, right? So first question, what is this product for? The answer, this product is for online business owners who want to launch or sell their own SaaS software in about 60 days using a fast and low-cost software building approach. I would agree with that. But if I didn't, I could come over here and I could go ahead and change it. I can add to it, right? Next question. What level of experience should they have? The product does not specify a required level of experience for users. Okay. Now, I don't like that answer, so I can go ahead and change this, right? They don't have to have technical experience. However, it definitely helps to have software experience from a user's perspective. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. What pain points or frustrations are they dealing with? Home-based entrepreneurs and small business owners often struggle with launching or selling their own software due to lack of technical skills, high costs, and time constraints. They may also feel isolated in their journey and seek support, right? And community engagement. Okay, fair enough. What will somebody be able to achieve after getting this product? They will be able to launch or sell their own SaaS software, full stack, in about 60 days using a fast and low-cost software building approach. What makes this product different from others? This product is unique because it offers a fast and low-cost software building approach specifically designed for solopreneurs and coaches, enabling them to launch or sell their own software in 60 days, along with weekly calls and access to a live interactive community. All right, so that little part I put in there about the calls and the community and the bonuses, you can see it's using that, right? All right, now you can see that we're over here on the third step, okay? And this is where we're going to go through and we're going to select our tone, all right? So this is like a copywriting tone. So if you can think of your favorite marketer or whatever, the way they email you, the way that they write their sales copy or whatever, right? That's what this models. So you can see like one sample tone here is punchy and direct. So how to launch your own SaaS in 60 days without tech skills or breaking the bank. What a great headline, right? Hard-hitting, attention-grabbing that cuts through the noise and drives fast action. Number 2, the street smart closer. Stop dreaming and launch your SaaS in 60 days, no tech skills required. Sounds like a no BS deal closer, gritty, bold, and direct with street level persuasion. Number 3, emotional big response. Discover the rapid launch system, transcending software barriers, and unleash your SaaS in just 60 days. Leads with emotional pain and relief, ideal for transformation-driven offers. Number 4, the curiosity builder. Why a game-changing system is all you need to launch your own SaaS in 60 days. Creates intrigue and opens loops that make people keep reading. All right, so I think you get the idea. These are all tones that we are able to use with our marketing plan, okay? So I'm going to come over here and choose this one right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on next step. And now you can see that we are all done, okay? So
that walkthrough is clean and doable, right? Well, if you're ready to build what we just saw, I've got exclusive bonuses. My 50 hot niches list for instant product angles, and for the pro upgrade, a custom GPT that generates Offermint product ideas for any niche. It's only for my viewers, so click on the link in the description to grab the software and the bonuses now.